So guys, with our affiliate system up and running, I thought I'd make a video just to explain it all and how it works. First, let's get started on how to become a 10reps affiliate. There is no minimum requirements. We don't require you to post a certain amount of times. We don't require you to have any amount of followers. Essentially, anybody can become an affiliate. The reason for this is that it's earned from commission, so you get what you put in. If you put in loads of effort, posting, giving your links to people, talking about the products, you're going to start earning money. If you don't, you simply won't. There's no stress or requirements from us to sign up. To sign up, it's easy. Come over to 10reps.co.uk. In the top menu, you're going to find the affiliate menu. Click on the affiliate register or the affiliate portal and you can simply register there. When you do register, make sure to confirm your email before signing in, otherwise your account will get deleted after 30 days. So fill in the form, confirm the email, and then sign into the affiliate portal from the affiliate menu. Before we get into the portal and how things work there, let's talk about what you can earn and how it works to be an affiliate. Being a 10reps affiliate means that you now have a link with your username that people can use to visit the site. Anybody that uses your link will be somebody that you've referred, and that's how you can earn commission from any sale. Your affiliate link is automatically created by the username that you choose when you register on 10reps. And with that, let's move on to the commission basis. Everybody starts on a 5% commission. We have different ranks the more that you sell, so the more that you sell you can actually move up in commission, from 5% to 7% to 10%. 10% meaning that you literally will earn £5 from a £50 sale. We also have bonus rewards within that. You can find all the details on your affiliate portal about how much you need to earn to get extra monetary bonuses. That's going to be, for example, after you hit, let's say, £50 in sales, etc, etc. This is on top of your commission. With that explained, let's now move on to how you can actually use your affiliate link. Once you register and you log into your portal, you go to marketing, you go to affiliate links, which we have guides on how to do. And then on the first part, you're going to find your general link. That is just a link to 10reps with your affiliate code, meaning that anybody that uses that link and comes onto 10reps with your affiliate code and then buys anything, it will get associated to you, even if they go through different pages. As long as they use your link to come to the site first before they make any purchases, then it will be tracked back to you. As well as that, you also have a custom link generator. This means that you can go to any particular page, any post, any product, grab the URL from it, and then generate your own link. That means that when people click the link, it will take them to that product rather than just the homepage of the site. Now, to make this easier, when you log in as an affiliate, we actually also have the affiliate bar at the top of the screen. This will only show if you're registered as an affiliate. Using this, any page that you go to or any product, you can automatically get a simple URL that already has your affiliate code in it, meaning that if you share that, it will share that particular page or product and it will sign it all to you automatically without you having to generate any URL. It's super easy. This is what it looks like on a computer and this is what it looks like if you're using a mobile phone. Just copy the link, it's got your affiliate code in it, and share it with others. On your affiliate portal, you can track pretty much everything. To the clicks that you get, the sales that you get, any referrals, and you can also organize your links through campaigns. But essentially everything can be organised through your portal. Now let's go through some ways that you can actually share and get the best earnings out of your affiliate code. A great way to do it is just to be natural. If you have a product that you actually prefer yourself, you could post a story about that product. Add a link with Instagram story links in case anybody else might want to get that product, but add in your affiliate link. This charges the user absolutely no extra and it will simply earn you a commission if they do buy through your link. If you're a personal trainer and you have clients, you could potentially start to now offer them supplements. Just create your link through the affiliate system and when they purchase, you will also get your commission for it. You can make custom videos about it, you can use any of the images on our site, and you also have the creative section of our site where we've uploaded different banners and pictures that you can simply copy and use. You also have an easy way of copying HTML code if you do have a site and you want to just copy it straight onto your site with the affiliate code in it. So you might have a blog or a website and you might want to just embed our products onto your site. If people click on them, you will also earn a commission. We love to work with our affiliates, so we will be providing you with samples of different products, and we're always available to chat to if you want any advice, you have any questions, or you want to know about any up and coming products. So with that guys, that's the affiliate system. For any questions, don't hesitate to get hold of me, just message me on social media or pop me an email on contact@10reps.co.uk.